In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline text in Pixlr. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add clean, professional-looking outlines to any text in your design using the Pixlr editor. Let's start from the very beginning. First, go ahead and log into your Pixlr account in your browser. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the option labeled Pixlr Editor. This is the more advanced editor that gives you access to layers and detailed effects, which is exactly what we need for outlining text. Click on Pixlr Editor and you'll be prompted to either create a new image or open an existing one. You can upload an image from your computer or choose a file you've already been working on. Once you've selected your image, it will open up inside the main editor workspace. Now that your image is open, let's add some text. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Look for the text tool icon, usually represented by a T. Click on that text tool to activate it. Next, move your cursor over the canvas and click on the area where you want your text to appear. As soon as you click, a small pop-up will appear, asking if you want to add a new text layer. Confirm by clicking Add. This creates a separate text layer, which is important because it allows you to adjust and style the text independently from the background. Now type in the text you want to use. You can also adjust the font, size, and basic formatting if needed. With your text in place, make sure the text layer is still selected in the Layers panel. When it's selected, you'll see its settings appear along the top of the editor. Look for the option labeled Styles and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and within that menu, you'll see an option called Outline. Enable the Outline option and the outline settings will expand. Here, you can customize how your text outline looks. Choose a new outline color that contrasts well with your text and background so it really stands out. You can enable the punch out option if you want the fill of the text to be removed, leaving only the outline visible, which can create a nice cutout effect. You can also adjust the size of the outline to make it thinner or thicker, and fine-tune the distance and direction settings to control exactly how the outline sits around your text. Once you're happy with how everything looks, you're done. That's all it takes to outline text in Pixlr.